All right, part two on our walnut log cutting. We've got a few still left. We put a dent the first weekend, but going to show you our solar kiln. It's about 50 degrees this morning, so just going to show you guys what this thing can do when the sun's nice and bright out. Looks like it's 89 right now. It just hit 90, and it's only 50 degrees out, and the sun just, this is early morning sun right now, so we'll check it again in an hour or two and see what we're up to, in case any of y'all are wanting to build a solar kiln. Facing directly south. So we put these slabs in here last week. Nice and toasty in here for a 58-degree day. So you see the fans, we have one that's out that we got to replace. Does a good job. Air gets pulled through the slabs here, goes up to the fans, blows out the front. From the front it hits the glass, goes down and back through the slabs. It's kind of hard to see through the glass. Okay, it's about 1:30, 58 degrees outside, 102 degrees on the thermometer, but the fan's just kicked off, so it'll climb rapidly. The fans will cycle back on again once it gets up to, I believe we have it set for 120 right now. There's 104. So if anybody's thinking about a solar kiln, they work pretty well. If you're interested in building this solar kiln, you can actually download the plans for free off of the Virginia Tech website. I left a link at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.